How to fix update KB5065789 failed to install in Windows 11 24H2 or 25H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix any installation problems with September 2025 preview cumulative update for Windows 11 24H2 or 25H2. The first method is fix installation using Windows Update. Click on Start, select Settings, go to System, scroll down and click on Recovery. This is Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall Now. Check this box and click on OK. After clicking on OK, the system will start checking for updates. Once the update is downloaded, a repair version of Windows Update will be downloaded. Once completed, click on Restart Now. Here, Restart Now button will be shown. Click on that. After a couple of restarts, the repair version of Windows will be installed, including the preview cumulative update. If the issue still persists, you can try the next method, which is Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to the video description and click on the link to the legacy version of Windows Update Troubleshooter. This troubleshooter is more effective than the current version of Get Help app. After clicking on the link, a zip file will be downloaded. After downloading is completed, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to Downloads and right click on the zip file just downloaded. Select Extract All. Click on Extract. After extraction, browse the folder. Right click on the troubleshooter and select Open. Click on the advanced link. Click on the Run as Administrator link. Select Windows Update and click on Next. Follow the recommendations given by the troubleshooter if any problem is found. Otherwise, follow the next method. The next method you can try is Reset Windows Update Components. Click on Search, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Go to the video description. You will find these commands there. Run these commands separately, one line at one time. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running the commands, close the programs and restart your computer. Then try to install the update. If the issue still persists, modify services. Click on Search, type Services, click on Services. On the Services window, look for Windows Update. Right click on this service and select Properties. Change the startup type to automatic if it is not automatic. For all services, we are modifying the startup type will be automatic and the service status must be running. If the startup type is not automatic, we will change it to automatic. If the service status is stopped, we will click on Start. So change the startup type to automatic here and click on Start. Click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on this service and select Restart. Look for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to automatic and click on Start. Click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on this service and select Restart. Do the same with cryptographic services. This one, right click on cryptographic services, select Properties. The startup type is already automatic and the service is running here. So nothing is needed. Click on OK. Right click on this service and select restart. Click on Yes. Now the final one. Do the same with app readiness. Right click on this service, select properties, change the startup type to automatic and click on start. Click on apply, click on OK. Right click on app readiness, select restart. Close the services window, go to Windows Update settings and click on check for updates. If the preview cumulative update is downloaded, click on restart now to complete the installation. If the problem still occurs, it means there is something wrong with system files or Windows image file. So run system files checker and DISM command line tools. Click on search, type CMD, select run as administrator. Go to the video description. You will find both the commands here. For DISM SFC SCANNOW command, copy the DISM command, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. After completion, copy the SFC SCANNOW command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Once finished, close the command prompt and close other running programs and then restart your computer. Then check for updates again. Install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. The next method. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. After the update will be released, you will find here the update files. Look for the file compatible with your system type and download the file. Then try to install the update. If any of the methods don't work, then perform in place upgrade. Launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on this link, scroll down and reach download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on select device and select this option. If your device is ARM64 based, then click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 device, click on confirm. Now you will have to select the product language. Click on start, select settings, go to time and language, click on language and region. English United States is the Windows display language. So over here, click on choose one and select English United States. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download and let the download complete. After completion, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar, Downloads, and right click on the just downloaded ISO file. Select Mount. On Open File Security Warning dialog, click on Open. Right click on setup.exe, select Open. Uncheck this box. After checking this box, the process will take much more time. So uncheck it and click on Next. For applicable notices and license terms, click on Accept. Finally, click on Install. Your computer will restart several times and the preview cumulative update will be installed along with Windows 11. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.